Yes, good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we learnt how to balance a chemical equation by hit and Hall method with a lot of examples. Today, we'll learn what are the different types of the reactions, right? Through examples first. So there are 3 to 4 types, as I told you, combination reactions. Then you have the decomposition reactions. You have displacement reactions. You have oxidation reactions, reduction reactions. They are some important types of the reaction you will come across in the study of inorganic chemical reactions. Right. Once again, I will start this session with the reactions. I will give you some skeleton equations. You have to balance it. Then I will give the definitions. Take some examples. That is carbon plus oxygen. You have to symbolize it. Carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. You have to symbolize it. I'll go on giving you some examples. Yes, just below that you start writing, balancing. Hydrogen plus oxygen. You symbolize matter kadagade. Hydrogen.
Sir, you have to balance.
Yes, you complete it. You already learned, no?
Yes.
Hydrogen plus oxygen gives rise to water. Water. It's an assignment to you, class assignment. Problem is, it's third example is hydrogen plus chlorine in the presence of sunlight forms hydrogen chloride. Go on balancing simple equations. Henceforth, I will not write any equations on the board. You have to write it and show. Now, you iron plus sulfur. Iron plus sulfur gives rise to ferrous sulfide. Ferrous sulfide. Consider them as practice problems. And fifth and the last one. Iron plus chlorine in this set. Iron plus chlorine gives rise to ferric chloride. Ferric chloride. See the reactions. Write all the 5 reactions and balance them. They are very, very simple reactions. One by one. What is the first one? Here by the verify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide. Look at here, what is it? Hydrogen plus oxygen gives rise to H2O. Balance it and continue. Is there any balancing required for the first example? No. You know, carbon when burnt in air, you will get carbon dioxide. Hydrogen and oxygen, when treated, they will form water. Balance it. So I told you, whenever you have elementary molecule, make it as O. How many oxygen atoms on the right? 1. How many on the left? 1. How many hydrogen atoms on the right? 2. How many hydrogen atoms on the left? 2. Now balance it. Convert it into elementary molecule. Multiply both sides by 2. You will get 2s2O2. You have 2s2. Multiply. And the equation is balanced. Third one. Hydrogen S2 plus chlorine Cl2 gives rise to hydrogen chloride. Symbol is HCl. Balance it. Here I am balancing it.
We have to multiply.
Balance it and tell me.
2 or 3.
Yes, go on balancing. What about the next one? Iron plus sulfur gives rise to ferrous sulfide formula. It should be 2HCl, right? Ferrous sulfide. What is the formula of ferrous sulfide? Ferrous symbol is Fe plus 2 and sulfide has got symbol S minus 2. FES should be the formula, correct. FES and the equation is balanced. Next, iron means Fe plus Cl2 chlorine, and finally we will get what? Ferric chloride. Write the formula ferric chloride. Wrong. Ferric symbol is Fe plus 3. Chloride is minus 1. Cross the valency. FeCl3. Now balance it. Balance it. We'll get how much? Now how many chlorine atoms on the right? 3. On the left? 2. It is not balanced. Therefore make Cl2 as Cl. How many chlorine atoms now on the right? 3. Take 3 chlorine atoms. Check whether the equation is balanced.
Yes.
It is balanced. Now what you have to do? Cl should be written as Cl2. Double it. So to double it you have to multiply whole equation by 2. Therefore it will become 2Fe. This will become twice 3Cl2. And you have to double it. Now check whether the equation is balanced. 2Fe, 2Fe. How many chlorine atoms? 6 on the left and 6 on the right, and the equation is balanced. What is the common thing you are observing in all these things? There is one common thing you are observing in this type of the reaction. See, the product is a single product. Common thing is only one product is there. And what about reactants? In the reactants, 2 or more elements or elementary molecules. Elements or elementary molecules. Element plus element will combine. Element and element will combine and form one single what? Compound is your observation, right? Whenever element or elementary molecules, right? One element or elementary molecules will combine forming one single element. One single compound. This particular reaction is combination reaction. This is one case. I will take another set of reactions. You observe carefully. Take 6th example. Understood what is common in it? In this set, 2 elements are elementary molecules combine to form one single compound. Is the type of the reaction. I will take another one. See. Here you observe. The example is 2NO, that is nitric oxide. I will write the name nitric oxide. There are one example. Is it 6th one? 6th. Nitric oxide plus oxygen gives rise to nitrogen dioxide. Okay. 7th example. You see 6th, 7th. Observe carefully in this set of reaction. What is common? Sulfur dioxide plus oxygen gives rise to sulfur trioxide. Balance them. This is another set of reactions. Set 2 idu. And I will give another third set of reactions also. That is ammonia plus hydrochloric acid. Ammonia plus hydrochloric acid gives rise to ammonium chloride. Symbolize all of them. Ammonium chloride. Calcium oxide, last one in this set. Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. carbon dioxide forms calcium carbonate. Symbolize all these reactions. This is second set, this is third set of examples. In the second set, what is the formula of nitric oxide? I think I gave you yesterday.
Yes.
What is the symbol of nitric oxide? So nitric oxide has the symbol NO plus. Oxygen has the symbol O2. Gives rise to nitrogen dioxide. Is a gas. Look at here. Balance it. See, how many nitrogen atoms? One nitrogen atoms on the left, one nitrogen atom on the right. How many total oxygen atoms? 2 plus 1. O2 can be written as O, and the equation is balanced. Nitrogen one atom, O2, O2. Now what you have to do? When you double the oxygen, you have to double nitric oxide, double nitrogen dioxide. Check whether this is balanced or not. 2 nitrogen, oxygen atoms are 4, 4, and the equation is balanced. Clarify the doubts. Second one, sulfur dioxide. What is the formula? SO2 plus oxygen O2 gives rise to sulfur trioxide is SO3. Through examples we will learn the types of the reactions. Here we are learning what type of reaction? Combination reactions. Means whenever 2 or more elements will combine and form one single product, such reactions are called as combination reaction. Before we will write the definition at the end, we will learn the examples first. Finally we will frame a definition. Definition hanga irbeku, ಮೊದಲೇ concepts ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, last definition. ಅವ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ definition. Correct? See, 2NO plus O2.